This is come from K idea. She think this is a lion and a witch.
Well, I think this is creative, as compared to the just reading a book. Reading a book is, to be honest, is quite, especially reading a long book, it is quite boring. So music sometimes can add more fun into making the whole thing more interesting, and you're more keen on reading this book or as due to this music.
Because this song sounds somehow like suspenseful. So I think when some characters they face a problem, when they are facing some problem, I think this song may be used. I think it is pretty creative to have making new songs or something, because I think it's out of the traditional and out of tradition, because no one would really read the book in this way. And I think it would be much useful to understand the story.
It is a rainbow because I think it is rich in the content, and then the music is like they battle with each other. There will be a lot of imagination through the discuss with my groupmates, so we have the different ideas to make the song. So we can through the communication, and I think it is creative for me.
I really like this activity because it is interesting. For me, making music of a story is a brand new experience, and that's why it is creative. I think if I go to read the text again, I will think of the music we made.